Good afternoon, everybody. It's time for your weather impact forecast. And let's start with a look back at how the month has gone so far. We started off with one of the coldest beginnings to the month of November on record through the 11th. And then, boom, we switched completely over to the warm side of things. Average highs right now are in the mid 50s, and we were almost 20 degrees above average last Wednesday when we hit 77 degrees. Now, it is normal to do big ups and downs during the month of November as we continue that transition toward the winter season, but we went from having one of the coldest starts to November to now running more than 2 degrees above average now that we've gotten here to the 24th. That's about to change. Again, our average high is 57 right now. We will be well below average by the time we get into Thanksgiving and our Black Friday holiday as well because of a change with the overall pattern across the country. A trough of low pressure is going to dig down out of Canada into the Ohio Valley and reach down into the southeast just in time for our Thanksgiving holiday. This is a northwesterly wind flow bringing down that dry, cold air out of Canada. So as of right now, we're not expecting precipitation at the same time that we have the cold air in place, but we'll keep our eyes on it for you. Excuse me, I just wanted to give you an update that with the cold air in place, that doesn't necessarily mean wintry weather. Now, we're going to see that moderate as we go throughout the weekend. It's still not going to get hot by any means, but the core of the cold air is going to be to our west. And with each one of those little ripples of energy rotating through that deeper trough that's going to be centered out near the Rockies, that's going to draw moisture up from the Gulf and bring us rain chances as we go through next week. As of right now, the first week of the month of December looks like it could be a little bit on the warmer side. Notice those shades of yellows and oranges, and at the same time a little bit on the wetter side of things. Just some more active pattern, more frequent systems coming on through. Too early to really pin down any timing or potential impacts from it, but this is just a heads up. Today is dry. Do your outdoor things now. Thursday and Friday and probably Saturday look to be dry as of right now. But then next week, that's when the rain chances are really going to start to go up. In fact, we're talking over the next 7 days, so including the system that's coming through tonight and tomorrow, and next week, early next week, we're talking about the potential of rainfall totals around 1 to 2 inches, which would make up for the deficit that we're running after the very dry start we had to the month of November, which is why we have abnormally dry and moderate drought conditions around some parts of our viewing area. So here's our next chance of rain. That arrives late tonight and overnight. Here's how things could look early tomorrow morning, with the main band of showers and embedded rumbles of thunder coming through during the morning into the early afternoon. Afternoon into evening, lingering showers and a few more storms, and this is when a couple storms could get strong enough to produce some gusty winds or potentially some small hail. A little bit of isolated rotation, not out of the question either, so we'll be watching that. Rain chances linger into Wednesday before we dry out on Thursday when the cold air moves on in. Look at that drop in those temperatures to finish out the week, and it looks like a chilly game day on Saturday.